In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your HP DeskJet 2942 all-in-one printer to the factory defaults. Make sure your printer is switched on and it is connected to your smartphone, MacBook or laptop. Go to the smartphone and open the HP app. In the app section, we have to scroll down. Look for the option that says printer settings. Click on it. Select view all. Click on the advanced settings. It will open the HP website. In iPhone, it may ask you to visit the website just to double check. You can do that. In the HP website, click on the settings section again and then click on the restore defaults. You will see the option restore network default, HP secure erase or factory defaults. So these are the three options. You can select restore factory defaults. It will ask you to confirm the pin number of your printer, that is here. Just inside the ink chamber you will see the pin number written. So it's different for each printer. You can just enter the digits here and then just close this door and click on the submit button. For the final confirmation, it will give you the information what will happen with your printer. This action cannot be undone. So let's do it. Restore factory defaults, confirm. So this will take couple of minutes. Your printer will switch off and switch it on back. It will be in the setup mode. That means it won't connect to the Wi-Fi network. So you have to do the complete wireless setup again. So that's the reset of the printer to the factory default setting. Thanks for watching.